reverse lights are on. That's very bizarre. Were my reverse lights on the whole time? Hopefully it's wired right. That's weird. Hey guys, and thanks for watching this episode. If you're curious, I do have a whole build series where I replaced the old engine with a new one, added some STI goodies, but unfortunately, I'm still fighting a couple oil leaks at the moment. Once I get those resolved, we're going to get this baby tuned. I'm looking for around 280, 300 wheel horsepower, and then finally, I'll be able to give a full-length review of the TurboXS exhaust. Let me know what you think of the exhaust down below, and again, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.